Yes, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
How was your stress test?
Good, sir.
Any doubts from the question paper?
Sir, can you explain the eighth question in the question paper once?
Eighth question, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss. People still joining. Yes, many of you are joining late. Why are you late, guys? Why are you late, children? Please be on time, I said. Definitely, I will not allow anyone, like, if you join late, there is no point of allowing you in the class. Huh? Okay, which question? Eighth one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Eighth one, this one, right? The diameter of the base
Yes,
cone
sir. Yes, sir.
10.5 centimeter. So diameter of the cone given how much more? 10 centimeter, which means what? 2 times of r is given what? 10.5. Okay. Radius is equal to what? 10.5 divided by 2. Radius is equal to what? 10.5 divided by 2. Let it be.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So slant height given what? Ma? Slant height, which means L value given. Yes or no? Then we need to find curved surface area. Curved surface area for the cone is what? Pi RL.
Pi RL, sir.
Pi RL. So 22 by 7 into radius is 10.5 by 2 into L is what? 10. So 2 ones, 2 fives. So so 7 ones, 7 1.3s, 7 1.5s. Yes or no?
Sir, 1.5. Yes, sir.
Yes, 1.5. So 22 into 5, how much, beta? 15 into 22 into 5, how much? 110 into
110 into 1.5.
So 110 into 15 by 10.
165.
So 165. Khatam. Option B is correct.
Sir, in the WhatsApp it's showing it as D is the correct option, sir, instead of B.
D.
Yes, sir. It's given as D. At least for me, it's showing like that.
No, it should be B.
It is showing B, sir. For me, it is showing B.
1 second.
Yes, sir. For me also.
165 only it's showing, sir.
Just a minute. Review the test. Eighth one B only, right? 165. Look at that.
Sir, ninth one is D, but eighth one is B. Yeah.
Eighth
So
one
for
is
eighth one, it's B itself.
yeah,
Yeah,
B only.
yes,
165 only, right? Look at this.
Yes,
Eighth one
sir.
is B. Where is that?
Okay, so I'll just refresh once and check.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
guess she's looking at the ninth one because ninth one is D.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay. Understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir, understood.
Hmm. Yes. Any doubts, beta? From the every question is a direct question. I think if you solve worksheet with this paper, you can play football actually, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Very simple question paper. Chalo, we will start. Yeah. Do you have any doubts from the question paper, guys? Make it fast. So we discussed cone, right? So guys, we'll just go with what now? Sphere. Guys, if you don't have any doubts, we'll go with the new concept now. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss the question. Make it fast. Children, tell me again, there should not be that we didn't go for the question paper. Everyone, please turn it up. If you don't have any doubts, we'll go for the question paper. Make it fast. Children, I'm asking each
No
and
doubt,
every-
sir.
every one of you, please. Every one of you, Kaji, Akshit, Pranav,
No doubt,
Sayan,
sir.
Jivika, Harini. If you have any doubts, please tell me now itself. We'll go for that question, or else we'll just get into the new concept. After that, we'll go for a quiz. Make it fast. We are going to just solve quiz today. Quiz. Make it fast.
Sir, no doubt.
Chalo. So we'll go with a sphere now. First, let us write what is a sphere. It's a closed three-dimensional solid figure, basically. Closed three-dimensional solid figure. Let's say that. Okay. Okay. Now look at it. This is center. This is some radius. Isn't it? Radius. This is what a sphere is all about. So basically, if you talk about sphere, is a what closed three-dimensional figure. See here, the sphere, you write the sphere is defined in a 3D space. All right, you just write one second, this diagram here. No space. 3D solid that has surface area and volume, which has surface area and volume. Okay, it is
So you
just
can
like,
write it has only one face.
yeah, you can just, sorry,
So we can write it as it only has one face, which is curved face.
yeah, you can write simply it's like a circle, each point of the sphere and is equal to distance from the center. Look at this here, just like a
Yes, sir.
circle, as each point of the sphere is at an equal distance from the center. ठीक है, देखो इधर रेडियस क्या होता है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सरफेस एंड सेंटर ऑफ द स्फीयर, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द, what is the radius here, distance between the surface, distance between the surface and center of the sphere is what radius. What is the diameter? From
Twice
one
the
point to another
radius.
point, one point to another point. Guys, this is a diameter here. ठीक है सर, diameter is nothing but from इधर से लेकर इधर ऐसा डालते हैं ना. Guys, the green color which I drawn, that is like, you know, towards us. You understand? ये अंदर वाला नहीं है, बाहर वाला है ये. आ रहा है समझ? Hello?
Yes, sir, understood.
हाँ.
So understood.
Yes, imagine that. So inside the sir has drawn inside the circle, तो वो क्या हो रहा है इधर, ऐसा नहीं समझना. Like, you know, that is like, you know, like, you know, towards us. हमारे तरफ है ना, हमारे तरफ का surface होता है ना. That is what. That is like outer the no, just front of you, in front of you. This one is, एक minute, let me just draw with this. This one is like away from you. This is अपने तरफ है ना, just towards you. This is a towards you one. चलो. Surface area is what here? The region occupied by what surface of the sphere? Very simple. What is volume here? The amount of space that can be, you know, occupied by the particular sphere. ठीक है, हाँ. चलो, we'll talk about that now, one by one. Basically, you have direct formulas here. Surface area. What is the surface area? Surface area of sphere is equal to 4/3 times of pi r square units. Basically, volume क्या होता है इसका? Volume of sphere क्या होता है? Same 4/3 pi r cube होता है volume, right? Will be including all the radius. Just cubic units. ठीक है? Okay. Now look at this here. What is the difference between the circle and the sphere? Can anyone of you please explain that? Circle is what? Two-dimensional figure basically. Two-dimensional figure.
Sphere is 3D.
Yeah,
Yes, here it is 3D. That is 2D. Very simple, beta. Circle can be defined by two axes like x and y axis. Here हमने x, y, z three axes. ठीक है, 3-dimensional, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
X, Y, and Z.
Yes. Circle. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Here the sphere, the surface area होता है ना, which is covered by, you know, which is equal to 4 times of pi r square. ठीक है, 4 times of pi r square. 4 times of pi r square. Okay. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So please be on time. चलो. Now up थोड़ा deep, if you go deep and just imagine that, थोड़ा हम लोग, if you don't understand, देखो हमने क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा डीप जाके इमेजिन करेंगे डायग्राम को, थोड़ा बड़ा वाला डाल देंगे ऐसा. ठीक है, इन साइड देखो ये वाला है ना, ठीक है, ये मेरा होगा सेंटर, ये मेरा होगा सेंटर, ठीक है। ये हो गया ना, ये वाला, ये क्या है मेरा, दिस इज माई रेडियस, ठीक है, दिस इज माई रेडियस, दिस इज माई लेट मी राइट, दिस इज माई व्हाट, रेडियस। थोड़ा डायग्राम को ध्यान से इमेजिन कीजिए, दिस इज व्हाट डायमीटर, दिस इज माई सेंटर, ठीक है। हाँ,
So why is the surface area of sphere 4/3 pi r square?
yes, we'll try to derive that so
Yes.
that you will understand that. एक मिनट, इसको थोड़ा इधर लिख दीजिए। ये क्या होता रहता है बेसिकली। एक मिनट यार, ये थोड़ा, इट इज नॉट टिल्टिंग एक्चुअली, जस्ट अ मिनट, गिव मी अ मिनट, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, बट just a minute. And guys, how many of you revised like previous formulas, and how many of you started solving worksheet problems?
So I do.
Sorry,
So I do.
how many of you just started doing and like I finished? Hello.
Sir, I started but I did not finish yet, sir.
Started but not yet finished.
Well, sir, I was absent the whole last week because I was having exams, so I don't know if you have sent any worksheets. I didn't check classroom.
Sorry, Jivika, you are speaking. Who is speaking? Aditi.
No, yes, sir, Aditi.
Yes, Aditi. Okay, please go for the lectures and please try to understand and just ask the doubt if you have anything. Okay,
Yes, sir.
please.
So the volume worksheet has 37 questions, right?
Yeah. Whatever, please do solve that. Whatever the things you have, please round it up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you don't get anything, you just leave it. Round it up. We'll discuss in the doubt session. See, every point of the sphere is equidistant from the center. Look at this. First, we'll talk about. First, look at this. What is the surface area of this sphere? Can you please tell me?
Sir, 4/3 pi r square.
Sorry. 4/3 pi r square. Like just imagine. How can we just imagine this? ठीक है? Anyone of you? Can you imagine? Make it fast. Imagine. कैसे करेंगे? थोड़ा imagine करो.
Yes, sir.
Just imagine. Just I'm giving a moment. Imagine. How can we just do that? Guys, do you think so? Whatever we draw on the paper, is it going to be like three-dimensional paper, three-dimensional image? We have to imagine.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sure.
See, whatever sphere, I'm drawing a figure called a sphere now, and I'm drawing a circle. Yes, I can imagine that whatever we have drawing that. Yes, circle is a 2D and a sphere is a 3D. But actually, for imagination purpose, we are drawing like that. But actually, we can't draw that sphere on the paper actually. Like exactly. Okay. Like for imagine, we just take the circle and just we draw XYZ axis. But really, if you just want to draw, we can't draw this. Okay. टेल मी सर्किल इज नॉट इक्वल टू स्फीयर हियर, मैंने बोल रहा हूँ सर्किल इज नॉट इक्वल टू स्फीयर, नहीं कैसा करते हैं हम लोग? ठीक है भाई, देखो गाइस, आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू दैट क्यूबॉइड, मैंने क्यूबॉइड ऐसे लिया था ना, इसको थोड़ा
Sir, it can be like made up of circles of varying width.
Yeah, देखो this all are having edges, देखो one value, I'm just giving a hint here now.
Okay, sir. I guess it's because of combination of two or more shapes.
Yes, look at this here, these all are having edges, look at this edge, इसका edge है, तो it can be placed simply, but इसका edge नहीं है तो ये कहाँ से place होगा? You can't place the sphere, right? इसका curved surface है,
Yes,
I
sir.
have curved surface area. Think, you have to think it. Curved surface area. Whatever the solid sphere have, whatever the solid, solid shapes I have drawn here, we can place it very easily actually. ठीक है, उसका end use के, we can use their edge and we can just place on the land very easily. But the object, the solid sphere, the solid shape which has curved surface area, देखो, we have edges for this, so I can place it easily. Here no edges, then how can you place? We can't place. See, how can you just derive? Look at this. Let us, one second. See here. Just try to relate. First, we are going to find what surface, right? Surface. Listen to me carefully. Surface area of the sphere. क्या होता है? हमने ये फाइंड आउट करने जा रहे हैं. Just try to relate with some curved object. ठीक है? Try to relate with some curved object.
A cylinder.
Yes, very good. That's great. You are on the track. Cylinder. देखो. देखो बेटा, मेरे पास अब ये है, क्या है? स्फीयर है, ठीक है? दिस इज सेंटर, रेडियस होगा, मैंने अभी एक सिलेंडर ले लिया, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
कैन यू प्लेस दिस स्फीयर इनसाइड द सिलेंडर? इमेजिन करो, देखो बेटा, इसका एज, ये वाला एज एंड ये वाला एज, दोनों लुक्स लाइक सर्किल, व्हिच मींस सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल इज इक्वल टू ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दिस, देखो स्फीयर, ये दोनों.
Yes, sir. It's almost that big.
Yes, if I just place this yellow color circle inside the here, the radius will become same, right? स्फीयर का रेडियस एंड वो सिलेंडर का रेडियस एक ही तो हो जाएगा. इमेजिन करो भाई, देख हाउ द स्फीयर हैज बीन, हाउ द सिलेंडर हैज बीन फ्रेम्ड बाय यूजिंग द सर्कल्स. देखो, मोर नंबर ऑफ सर्कल्स, प्लेसिंग इन अ, क्या बोलता है, इन अ वर्टिकल वे, यू कैन जस्ट मेक अ स्फीयर ओवर देयर, इजंट इट? yes or no? yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we can put the circle of the
Yes.
same radius inside
Yeah,
the cylinder.
एग्जैक्टली. नो, ये क्या होता है, ये इनसाइड ये होता है ना, देखो ये इनसाइड मेरा ये जो होता है ना, व्हाट इज दिस r प्लस r, ये क्या होता है? डायमीटर. yes or no? this is my height. are you people able to, one second, are you people able to see the screen clearly and imagine the diagram? Guys,
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to imagine the diagram here? Look at this, this is my height. ठीक है? हाँ
Yes.
हाँ, ये look at this, that will be easily fitted. This is the height of the, देखो ये height of the cylinder is equal to height of the sphere or not? बताओ मुझे. This full sphere will be using this. हाँ, now can you tell me height of the cylinder is equal to height of the sphere or not?
Yes, sir. Height of
Now
the
can I
cylinder.
say, no, h is equal to 2 times of r, which means diameter. Do you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
And a mathematician called Archimedes. What is his name? Archimedes. What he has introduced is, बेटा देखो ये होता है ना, वो क्या बोला है, he has lateral, देखो lateral surface area of a cylinder, lateral surface area of the cylinder Children, can you hear me? It got disconnected suddenly. Please, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
It got disconnected and automatically joined again. So is the what curved surface area of the cylinder is the, I mean, lateral surface area of the cylinder is a curved surface area. Curved surface only. Okay. Then if I look at this here, who has taught? Archimedes. What is his name? Archimedes. Archimedes. And surface area of the sphere क्या होता है? देखो, surface area of sphere is equal to lateral surface area of the cylinder. क्या होता है? Lateral surface area of the cylinder. Look at this. What is the lateral surface area of the cylinder? बताओ मुझे. Lateral surface area of the cylinder is what?
Sir, 2 by RH.
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h. नहीं. 2 pi r
Sir,
h.
2.
2 pi r h is right answer. ठीक है? 2 pi r h.
Okay, yes, sir.
हाँ. Look at this. See here, what I wrote beta here. Here, h is representing what here? H is representing what? Height of the cylinder. Sorry, height of the cylinder, isn't it? So, देखो, this h can be represented what now? 2 pi r into h. What was my h? 2r.
2r.
So, surface area of the sphere, what is? 4 pi r square.
Okay, sir.
We can say that this is also can be written as 4 times of area of the circle. ठीक है? So Archimedes what he has taught, देखो बेटा, lateral surface area of the cylinder होता है ना, that is a curved surface only. ठीक है? वो curved surface area तो है, तो surface area of the cylinder क्या होता है? Sphere क्या होता है? Lateral surface area of the cylinder. आपको imagine करो थोड़ा, मैंने बोल रहा हूँ, I'm just telling that surface area of the sphere. Okay, surface area of the sphere is equal to lateral surface area of the cylinder. बराबर ये तो imagine करो, which means cylinder has been done with a number of circles, isn't it? Circle से ही form किया है cylinder. Circles तोने నేను cylinder form చేశాను కదా, వాడు అందుకనే చెప్తున్నాడు ఏమని, surface area of the sphere which is equal to lateral surface area of the cylinder. From that formula, look at this, 4 times of pi r square. ठीक है? हाँ, understood now? Yes. First, what we have learned so far, first we learned that 3-dimensional, like sphere is a 3-dimensional object. What we have learned so far, sphere is a 3-dimensional object. Lateral surface area of the cylinder equals to surface area of the sphere. क्या होता है? Lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to surface area. Lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to surface area of the sphere. समझा? ठीक है? हाँ, this is very very important. From that I just derived the.
So I didn't understand how is it equal to LSA of cylinder?
Huh?
So how is it equal to lateral surface area?
What is lateral surface area? నాకు చెప్పు, lateral surface
So
area.
where the top and bottom are not
అవి
included.
కాకుండా కదా, ఇప్పుడు సిలిండర్ ఎట్లా చేస్తాను? దిస్ ఇస్ అ సిలిండర్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
ఒక సిలిండర్ తీసుకుంటే ఈ సిలిండర్ ఎట్లా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? హౌ ది సిలిండర్ ఫార్మ్స్?
So two circles and a rectangle.
లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. ఇలా నేను ఒక సర్కిల్ మీద ఇంకో సర్కిల్ పెడితే, ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని ఏమంటారు అబ్బా, व्हाट वुड यू से, हमारे पास ये होता है ना, वो सीमेंट का गोला गोला होता है ना, सीमेंट का गोल गोल होता है ना, ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? లైక్ హ్యావ్ యూ ఇమాజిన్ దట్ లైక్ సిమెంట్ से बनाता है वो. इफ यू जस्ट प्लेस वन ऑन अनदर, अरे यार ऐसा नहीं ले लो, you just circle one circle, place one more circle on this.
There those lid kind of things.
Yes, माने I'm just trying to explain Sujay that sphere, ये sphere है ना, cylinder है ना, ఈ సిలిండర్ ఎట్లా ఫామ్ అయింది అనుకున్నాను? ఒక సర్కిల్ ని ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి పెడితే
Yes, sir.
cylinder వచ్చింది.
One circle on top of
one
another.
circle on placed on another circle, one circle placed over other circle, right? Look at this. If I take this is what is ఇక్కడ వాడు ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు, ఇది కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా కదా, అవునా కదా? అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు మనకు lateral surface area అంటే ఇది ప్లస్ ఇది కాకుండా the top and bottom if I exclude, so whatever the remaining part is there, that comes under lateral surface area, isn't it? Lateral surface area. So
Yes,
I took this lateral surface area. This lateral surface area, isn't it looking like a circle? ఇది సర్కిలే కదా. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు టాప్ బాటమ్ తీసేస్తే నీకు ఏం మిగులుతుంది? టాప్ బాటమ్ తీసేస్తే ఇదే కదా మిగిలేది, అవునా కదా?
Yes,
టాప్
sir.
పార్ట్ ఇదే కదా?
Yes,
ఇది
sir.
ఎట్లా వచ్చింది నీకు? రౌండ్ సర్కిల్ తోనే ఫామ్ అయింది కదా?
Yes, sir.
దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ హీ సేయింగ్ ఈక్వల్ బోత్. ఇది స్పియరే కదా,
Okay,
ఇప్పుడు
sir.
లుకింగ్ లైక్ స్పియరే కదా సర్కిల్ లాగా, అవునా కదా?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా? నువ్వు
Yes, sir.
అంటే ఏం
Understood.
చేస్తావు అంటే, యు డూ వన్ థింగ్, యు టేక్ ఏ పైప్ చూడు, నీకు పైప్ తెలుసు కదా, మామూలుగా పైప్ ఇలా
Yes, sir. Pipe.
మన ఇంట్లో పైప్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఇలా ఉంటుంది పైప్, వాటర్ పైప్. ఓకే, నువ్వు జస్ట్ టాప్ బాటమ్ క్లోజ్ చేసేయి. ఈ జస్ట్ ఇది మాత్రమే అబ్జర్వ్ చేయి, మధ్యలోది మిడిల్ వన్. హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ లుక్స్ లైక్, ఇట్ ఈస్ लाइक गोला जैसा दिखता है ना, इट इज लुक्स लाइक इट लुक्स लाइक कैसा राउंड वाला, इट लुक्स लाइक राउंड గా కనబడుతుంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
అది ఆ రౌండ్ వన్, దట్ రౌండ్ వన్ ఐమ్ జస్ట్ రిలేటింగ్ టు ద సర్కిల్. yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here but we are just imagining that thing in a 3D object. I mean, like, we are imagining that as a 3D object, which means 3 axis as a sphere. దాన్ని మనం స్పియర్
Okay, sir. Understood.
అలా అన్నమాట. అది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం ఏదైతే తీసుకున్నామో, look at this.
Yeah, sir. I understood.
Whatever we took here, that is equal to lateral surface area. ఇదే కదా lateral surface of cylinder కదా? అలా ఆర్కిమిడిస్ అలా చెప్పాడు అనమాట. ఓకే, ఎస్.
Sir, but here I have one doubt, because the sphere is like having a varying width. Like if you take it from side view, it's like very thick in the middle, while thin at the top and bottom, right?
Yeah, top and bottom will not be equal. आप साइड से इमेजिन करोगे थोड़ा सर्किल जैसा दिखेगा ना, which means हमने रेडियस, हमारा बात क्या है इधर, लेकिन वी आर कंसीडर इसे रेडियस इज इक्वल ऑफ बोथ. देखो इसका रेडियस
sir.
इक्वल है तो हमने, that is what I'm saying, if I place this sphere in a cylinder, radius of this sphere will be equal to radius of the cylinder, isn't it? Imagine करो.
Yes, sir.
That is what the reason we are taking that as a సుజయ్. देखो బాగా విని ఇక్కడ, if I just make ఈ సిలిండర్, ఇది ఏంటిదబ్బా, స్పియర్ ని తీసుకొని ఒక సిలిండర్ లో పెడితే ఏమవుతుంది, ది స్పియర్ యొక్క రేడియస్ అండ్ ది సిలిండర్ రేడియస్ బోత్
Yes,
क्या हो
sir.
जाता है, इक्वल होता है. दैट इज द रीजन. ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाट आर्किमिडीज आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड, and he said that lateral surface area of the cylinder will be equal to surface area of the sphere. ठीक है, उतना हम लोग इमेजिन करने के लिए you can do practically at home, actually imagine that. Okay, but with understanding the formula and understanding the concept in a better way is very important. And at last we need a formula. We are trying to drive it. So at last we are going to use all the stuff like making a question, right? So at last we are using all these formulas in making a question. Okay, so we'll just try to drive that. Okay, this is what 4 times of area of the circle I got. देखो हमारे पास एक फुटबॉल है बेटा, देखो फुटबॉल है, ठीक है? So this is a football given. Let me give a simple question here, practical example. Just you have a football like this. Football ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది కదా? No, సార్ ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు సార్, ఫుట్బాల్ అది కాదు. Look at this here. This is a football. Imagine this is a football. Okay, ठीक है? This is a football and remaining thing is look fully. अरे यार ये तो मेरा लाल वाला फुटबॉल है, ठीक है? So कुछ भी imagine कर लो. Just imagine that I have some red color football, pink and yellow color football. ठीक है? He has given that. What he has given here? Given diameter is equal to 22 centimeter. We need to find surface area of this. तो क्या कैसे फाइंड आउट करूंगा मैंने? Simply 4 pi r square. What is 11? What is radius here? Isn't it? अरे भाई रेडियस क्या होता है? यही तो होता है. Yes or no बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Diameter by 2 is radius.
हाँ. Then what is the surface area? 4 times of pi into 11 into 11. So what would you get? Multiply just 4 into 3.14 into 11 into 11, 121. You can just simplify it further. Need not to worry. You can just simplify it further, guys. 4 into 121, how much? 484 into 314 divided by 100. इसको multiply करो, whatever you get, that is your surface area of the sphere.
1519.76.
Yes,
Really?
sir. 1000.
1519.76.
whatever. What do you get? Tell me. 1519.76 centimeter square here.
Centimeter square.
Here
Yeah.
centimeter for this one, right? So centimeter square.
Yes, sir.
This is how we make a use of this formula actually. Okay. See, look at this here. We'll see what else we get from a sphere. Actually, we just got that surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, what else we'll get from this? Chalo, we'll look into this. बेटा मेरे पास ये स्फीयर है, ठीक है, स्फीयर को मैंने एग्जैक्टली इफ आई कट लिखा हूं, देखो आई हैव स्फीयर, इफ आई जस्ट कट दिस, इसको मैंने क्या किया, ठीक है, इसको मैंने एग्जैक्टली इफ आई कट, सो व्हाट वुड हैपन, इसको बीच में से ऐसा काट दो भाई, काट करेंगे, काट, इफ आई जस्ट कट, सो व्हाट वुड यू गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ टू शेप्स, होना कायदा, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You get two balls like this. See, surface areas mensuration is all about imagination. How imagine, how if you are good at imagination, you can just imagine करना, देखो exactly कौन भी नहीं ड्रा कर सकते भाई, थोड़ा ये क्या बोलता है, शीट पे इमेजिन करने का, imagination purpose we are drawing like this. That is not exact 3D dimensional diagram. ये 3D नहीं होता है, कहाँ से 3D दिख रहा है आपको, इमेजिन करने के लिए थोड़ा हम लोग ऐसे डालता है, ठीक है। देखो दिस इज व्हाट कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, हेमिस्फीयर। व्हाट इज दैट, हेमिस्फीयर। अगर स्फीयर को बीच में से काटते, इफ यू कट द स्फीयर इन बिटवीन फ्रॉम द मिडिल, इफ यू कट, सो इफ यू जस्ट मेक इट टू इक्वल पीसेस, द हाफ पीस इज गोइंग टू कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, हेमिस्फीयर। वेरी सिंपल, ठीक है। हाँ देखो मुझे बताओ अभी, सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर इज 2 pi r square, then surface area of the hemisphere क्या होता है, बताओ मुझे, बताओ surface area of the hemisphere क्या होता है,
Half of the
half of the, very
surface area
good,
of the
half of the surface area of the sphere, तो मतलब क्या होता है,
yes sir, so it will be 2 pi r square.
very good, half of the 4 pi r square, which means 2 pi r square, खत्म, इसमें कोई चिंता करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, yes or no?
Yes, that 4 will be cancelled.
So what is this, हेमिस्फीयर, ठीक है। हाँ one second, anyone is waiting in the waiting room? No, ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा, दिस इज हाउ वी कैन जस्ट गो फॉर दिस हेमिस्फीयर। सो इसका, हाँ मुझे बताओ अभी वॉल्यूम क्या बताया था मैंने, वॉल्यूम if I have solid hemisphere beta, surface area of the solid hemisphere, मतलब क्या होता है, solid hemisphere है तो मेरे पास बेटा ये मेरा क्या है, ये हेलो है, हेलो नॉट हेलो, हेलो, ये क्या है, हेलो हेमिस्फीयर। हेलो का मतलब समझते हो ना,
Yes sir, it's empty.
एम्प्टी हेमिस्फीयर। हेलो हेमिस्फीयर का सरफेस एरिया यह होता है। अगर मेरे पास ये है, देखो सॉलिड हेमिस्फीयर, मतलब इसका सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है, सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सॉलिड हेमिस्फीयर। बेटा मुझे अभी देखो, हम मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ, एक टेनिस बॉल ले ले, उसको बीच में से ऐसा काट देंगे हम तो, इफ यू जस्ट कट द टेनिस बॉल फ्रॉम द बिटवीन, यू विल गेट व्हाट, दैट इज हालो स्मेल, कुछ भी नहीं होता है अंदर, खाली होता है ना, एम्प्टी विल बी देयर, राइट, दैट इज माय हालो। अगर मैंने ले लिया क्या, वाटरमेलन ले लिया, क्या लिया, तरबूजा ले लिया, तो बीच में से ऐसा काट दिया तो क्या होगा, दैट इज व्हाट भाई, सॉलिड हेमिस्फीयर। समझ रहे हैं मैंने, एग्जांपल बेस, डेली लाइफ एग्जांपल भाई, देखो थोड़ा इमेजिन करो, अंदर का अर्थमవుతుందా, look at this, if you take tennis ball, cut from the between, బాల్ ని మధ్య నుంచి కట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఖాళీ ప్లేస్ కదా మిగిలేది, ఇడ్లీ వేసుకోవచ్చు మంచిగా లోపట, అవునా కదా, మేకింగ్ ఇడ్లీ విత్ ద బాల్, నో isn't it, yes or no, people are able to imagine, empty here,
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
empty, हाँ, अगर एक वाटरमेलन को कट किया मैंने, ठीक है, क्या होगा? सॉलिड, इधर लाला होता है, इधर भी लाला होता है, दैट इज अ सॉलिड पार्ट, राइट? यस और नो? हाँ, दैट इज व्हाट द,
Yes, sir.
टेल मी बेटा, टेल मी, अगर ये वाटरमेलन को मैंने बीच में से काट रहा हूँ तो मेरा डायग्राम कैसा बनेगा? डायग्राम कैसा बनेगा? देखो, दिस इज हाउ माय डायग्राम विल बी. Still it looks like hemisphere. Yes, it is hemisphere only, but solid hemisphere. देखो ये क्या होता है, ये भी occupied होता है. अभी बताओ इसका क्या होता है? Solid hemisphere क्या होता है?
The 3 pi r square.
Very good, very good. That's great. That's great imagination. That's great. Very good, beta. Look at this here. నాకు ఇప్పుడు I should consider. Look at this here. Here, if I cut the sphere, I'm just getting this little empty space here. Empty. ఇక్కడ empty है కదా? Which means I'm not including that. The only thing which I'm including is that the half of the part, which is getting what? 2 pi r square. Either solid में क्या होता है? Solid में क्या होता है? You need to consider this as well. You need to consider this as well. Why? Because that will be occupied, right? ये भी occupied
Yes.
होता है ना? 3 pi r square. This one plus this one. So क्या होता है?
3 pi r square.
3 pi r.
Radius
How?
and the-
देखो, radius of the area of the circle, area of the green color circle and area of the pink color circle. Area of the circle is what? Area of the surface area of the hemisphere is what? Area of the hemisphere is what? Surface area. 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square plus area of that green color circle. Pi r square.
Yes, sir. Pi r square.
అర్థమవుతుందా? ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా సుజయ్?
No, sir.
ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? यस, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव लर्न नाउ. ओके, नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम क्या होता है? 4/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर, पाई आर क्यूब होता है. देखो,
So volume is 2/3 pi r cube, sir.
सॉरी,
So volume is 2/3 whole like 2/3 pi r cube, sir.
यस, देखो, यस, 2/3 समथिंग, वो समथिंग क्या होता है? विल सी.
Pi r cube.
We know that. What is that? First we'll look at this. Volume of the 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से समझने का कोशिश कीजिए. गाइस, वी रोड, आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग आई रोड इटसेल्फ, स्टार्टिंग इटसेल्फ. भाई इधर क्या लिख दिया मैंने? 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. इधर 4, ये क्या है? इधर 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. हियर लुक एट दिस हियर, 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. ठीक है, स्फीयर ऑफ सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर इज 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. वॉल्यूम इज व्हाट? 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. देखेंगे हम लोग कैसा बनेगा वो, एक बार विल सी दैट. एक स्फीयर ले लीजिए ऐसा, एक मिनट. Guys, I lost the power. 1 second. देखो, ये मेरा क्या होगा बेटा? ध्यान से सुनिए, ये मेरा स्फीयर होगा. इमेजिन दैट दिस माय स्फीयर. अरे यार, आई एम नॉट गुड एट डायग्राम्स. प्लीज इसको इमेजिन करने की कोशिश कीजिए. दिस इज माय रेडियस. ठीक है, दिस इज माय रेडियस. दिस इज व्हाट? हाइट ऑफ द स्फीयर. दिस इक्वल टू, मैंने बताऊंगा, हाइट ऑफ दी दो कोण के बराबर होगा. देखो, so this sphere is equal to sum of same heights of cones or same radius of the base of the particular cone. ठीक है. हाँ, देखो देखो, What is the sphere of the height? This is my radius. Guys, height is equal to 2r from the sphere, as we know that. This is r plus r. इसका height होगा कितना होगा 2 times of r. What is the radius of this cone? r. ये भी h. देखो ये भी h है मेरा, ये भी h है, ठीक है. If I compare, look at this here. Sphere is equal, I'm saying that sum of two same heights of the cone. हाँ, now देखो height of these two cones is equal to h and radius of these two bottom of this cone is equal to r and r. ठीक है. हाँ देखो अब कहानी सुनिए ध्यान से. देखो इसका क्या होता है, as we वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन क्या होता है 1/3 पायर स्क्वायर एच. बताओ 1/3 पायर स्क्वायर एच. नो, कोन का वॉल्यूम तो 1/3 पायर स्क्वायर एच होता है, एज वी सीन 1/3 पायर स्क्वायर एच. दो कोन है तो दो बार लिख लिया मैंने, ठीक है. हाँ, ये मुझे क्या मिलेगा इफ आई ऐड दिस टू अल्टीमेटली व्हाट आई गेट 2/3 टाइम्स ऑफ.
So the height here is the same height of the
एग्जैक्टली स्फीयर.
okay.
देखो एक मिनट, इसका हाइट बराबर क्या है देखो 4/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर. देखो सिंपल सा प्रूफ, हमने थोड़ा क्या ज्यादा कंफ्यूज होने का जरूरत नहीं है. देखो h, व्हाट इज h हियर, व्हाट इज h बताओ बेटा. 2r मैंने क्या बताया था बेटा. देखो ये h क्या होता है, देखो देखो ध्यान से पढ़ो, देखो चेक कर लो. देखो क्या हुआ, अरे बाबा. हाँ देखो दिस हाइट इज इक्वल टू r, दिस हाइट यू जस्ट रिप्लेस हियर. क्या हो जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा बताओ, बताओ बेटा. 4/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर इंटू आर, आर क्यूब. खत्म कहानी. सिंपल का समझने का तरीका, ठीक है. सो स्पीयर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, guys if you visualize, so the height of the sphere is equal to sum of the heights of the. देखो if I take same heights of two cones, if I take, मैंने दो कोन ले लिया which has same heights, ठीक है, and so their base is also same. मैंने आपको ये actually if you were in online offline class we would have been like imagine very properly actually, but देखो कोई ना बात. इक्विपमेंट से हम लोग देखो मीको का इमेजिन जस्ट इफ आई से सो बेटा, एक काम करो आप. लुक एट दिस, यू टेक सेम हाइट ऑफ कोन. क्या करो आप, यू टेक सेम, इसका हाइट सेम होना चाहिए. यू जस्ट डू वन थिंग, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू एन प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट यू हैव टू डू एट होम. दो कोन का एम्प्टी, वो क्या होता है आइसक्रीम मिलता है ना एम्प्टी वाला खाने का. हेलो
Yes sir.
आप वो समझ में आ रहा है. यू जस्ट,
हाँ सर.
हाँ ये दोनों ले लो, ठीक है. यू जस्ट डू प्रैक्टिकली एट होम, आपको थोड़ा इमेजिन करने के लिए ले लो. एक स्पीयर ले लो, कुछ भी एक छोटा सा बॉल विच हैज सेम हाइट. ये सब हाइट, इसका सब हाइट सेम होना चाहिए, ठीक है. हाइट यू मस्ट टेक सेम थिंग, ठीक है. और एल्स वो इफ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर यू, क्या करो, इसका सबका हाइट, इसका हाइट, इसका हाइट, इसका हाइट, सबका हाइट सेम ही होना चाहिए. अगर बेटा क्या होता चाहिए, ऐसा मैं कैसा ले रहा हूँ, ऐसा हाउ आई एम टेकिंग दिस वन. स्फीयर इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ टू कोन्स व्हिच हैव सेम हाइट्स. देखो इसमें थोड़ा पानी भर दो, पानी भर दो, इसमें पानी भर दो. इसमें जो पानी है ना, इसमें वाला, ये वाला पानी, ये वाला पानी, दो the water whichever have in both the cones which fills this sphere, that is for sure. आपको समझ में आएगा होगा how the imagination is. बेटा दो कोन ले लो, एक कोन 1 प्लस कोन 2. देखो ये कोन 1 है, कोन 2 है, दोनों को वाटर ऐड करेंगे तो इसमें जो फिल होता है ना वाटर, उसके बराबर होता है. कैसे बराबर हो रहा है, सेम हाइट का जो दो कोन लिया मैंने, उसी लिए आई एम जस्ट एबल टू फिल द वाटर inside that particular sphere. ठीक है. So this is how the this is a way of proving volume of the sphere. ठीक है. मुझे अभी ये पता चल गया है अपने वॉल्यूम ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर क्या होता है. बताओ जल्दी से बताओ.
Sir, half of it.
Yeah.
Like only one cone.
Yeah.
Sir, so here like at the middle we have to take one cone upward and one cone downward like that. Is it like that?
Exactly. If you say so, atla kaakunda, like if you think so, so for framing that sphere you are saying.
Yes, sir.
If you for framing the sphere, yes, could be like this cone. The bottom of the cone is also looking like spheres only, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा no, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, जरूरत नहीं है. तो हाइट बढ़ जाएगा ना फिर. Height will not be matched, right? Height नहीं match
Yes.
करेगा. Height नहीं match करेगा. But you have to sum of the two cones. That is a concept here. Sum of the two cones which are same heights with the same radius, which should match with the height of the sphere actually. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. So like the whole height rather than
Yeah,
only
yeah,
50%
yeah,
to
yeah,
that. Okay.
exactly. Look at this. If I take इसको बेटा इसको क्या बने देखो. This will be एक कोन ऐसा ले लो. There should be a streamline actually. ठीक है. एक सर्कल मैंने इधर बनाया क्या. ठीक है. This plus this is equal to this, which means height. ठीक है. इसका रेडियस सेम होना चाहिए. ठीक है. ऑलराइट.
Yes, sir.
Volume is what? Just now is a pi r3 1 pi r square h 1 by 3 pi r square h 1 by 3 pi r square h. ठीक है. हाँ. Look at this here. Just now we have seen. Look at this here. 2 by 3. So मैंने क्या बना रहा हूँ इधर. This height I'm just replacing with the 2r. So which means what? 4 by 3 pi r square. This is the best way of understanding. इससे ज्यादा कोई आपने सीखने का जरूरत नहीं है. This one no one is going to ask, but for knowledge थोड़ा सोचने के लिए हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. You take two cones and imagine, just try to take it at home if possible. अगर नहीं है तो थोड़ा इसे imagine करो. ठीक है. आया समझ? Yes.
Yes, sir.
अभी मुझे बताओ, what is the volume of the hemisphere?
Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube by pi r cube.
Yes. इसमें आधा तो क्या हो जाएगा volume of if you understand this is very easy. उसमें सगम, उसमें half, आधा होना चाहिए बस. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 times of pi r cube. Very simple here. ठीक है. Yes or no? Basically, guys, this is what the things you have from class 9th syllabus, but we have just gone through very deeply. But I thought of conducting a quiz today, but it's almost, we just left it to 2 minutes. But we had a good discussion. We just went somewhat deep and just seen that we imagined somewhat, solid spheres and all. Okay, guys, everyone make sure that now we have just covered almost all the concepts, so you can solve all type of questions from your textbook. It does not mean that we will stop here itself. Yes, we have just done with the concept and basic questions of the particular solid shapes, okay, related to the particular solid shape, but we'll be solving more number of questions. I request every one of you presented over here that please go through the worksheet and solve it. If you don't understand anything, please round up it and just ask in the doubt session. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we have a quiz?
Not now, beta. Actually, we have just left with only 1 minute. So tomorrow, definitely tomorrow. I thought of having today, but we went so much chala low to what do you call discussion. Yeah. So no problem. But yes, it is a worthy, right? Do you understand what I'm trying to teach here? Do you understand, guys? Are you able to imagine something here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो हम लोग कल क्विज करेंगे. Please everyone make sure that you guys are just going through that. Yeah, this is the first time, right? You are just stepping on, you are stepping into menstruation. So 11th standard, 10th standard, everywhere menstruation will come again. In 11th standard, there will not be a separate chapter for this. Yeah, when, like, if you talk about couple of chapters in between, you might be using these formulas actually. So there will not be a separate topic for menstruation. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं? Yes. Hope it is clear. I'll share these notes, and everyone, I request every one of you, please do solve all the questions from that worksheet. All the questions from worksheet. Yes. Yes. Okay, children. Understood, right? Clear? आया समझ? कोई प्रॉब्लम,
sir.
कोई डाउट?
No.
हाँ गाइस, अरे यार ये हमने एक भूल गया. क्या भूल गया? Curved surface area कहाँ गया? अच्छा, we have finished, right? Surface area of this hemisphere, right? We have done. I thought we didn't finish curved surface area. I just give best example, guys. Tennis ball and वो क्या बोलते हैं, तरबूजा समझते हो ना सब लोग? तरबूजा, कलिंगा क्या बोलते हैं उसको? वाटरमेलन समझते हो ना सब लोग? गाइस, बेस्ट एग्जांपल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट.
Yes, sir.
सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर एंड
Yes.
सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सॉलिड हेमिस्फीयर. सॉलिड हेमिस्फीयर का मतलब होता है वाटरमेलन को आधा, like if you cut in between, so just if you compare both the pieces, so you'll be having solid part inside. If you cut the tennis ball or whatever the ball you feel, if you cut, so if you just observe both the balls, what do you get? You get an empty space, which you get an empty space where you can make इडली वाला, वो इडली बनाते हैं ना, वो समझते हैं ना इडली वाला क्या बोलता है? यू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? मैंने क्या बोलने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, अपने आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? जो इफ यू जस्ट कट द बॉल, यू विल गेट एम्प्टी स्पेस इन बिटवीन. यू कैन, like, make idlis
Yes,
from
sir.
that. Yes, that is what, surface area of the hemisphere. Solid hemisphere is different than hemisphere, guys. Solid hemisphere का मतलब, if you cut the watermelon half, the half part of the watermelon. ठीक है, समझा? Yes. So tomorrow we'll solve, quiz definitely, and after that, first we'll start with the quiz only. Tomorrow's class we'll start with the quiz, and please remind me, someone of you please remind me that we'll start with the quiz, and after that we'll discuss quiz questions as well as your worksheet questions if you have any doubts. So ठीक है बेटा? Okay, hello?
Yes, sir.
चलो, then
Yes.
have a nice day. Let's retire. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
You can leave the session.